What's your name? No, your name's not Lightning McQueen. What's your name? No, it's not Lightning McQueen. What's your name? What's your name? No, it's not Lightning McQueen. What's your name? Tell me what your name is. Little boy, what's your name? No, it's Caden. Hey, what's your name? What's your name? You're not Lightning McQueen. What's your name, buddy? Your name is not Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen dump truck? What are you doing? You pee in there?
You pee up there. That. See that? You pee over that.
But tell me what your name is. Are you going to tell me what your name is? Okay, let's go potty.